Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 31st tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about the left outer join operation. And for the sake of this tutorial I have added some rows in the tutorial table, and let me first show you the data that I have added. So to demonstrate that, I'll type in the select keyword and then star from and then the name of the table, which is tutorial. And basically I've created some rows for Microsoft Excel subject, and you can see that the tutorial number 18 is Excel tutorial 1 and it belongs to Microsoft Excel, and tutorial number 19 also belongs to that subject. So rows from 18 to 22 belong to that subject basically. And I haven't added rows in the tutorial underscore info table. That is, I haven't added corresponding rows to tutorial underscore info table for Microsoft Excel, and I'll show you tutorial underscore info as well. Tutorial underscore info, when I put a semicolon and executed, you see that data is missing for tutorials numbered 18 to 22, so there's no data in this table. Now if I would execute a simple join query on the two tables, then no data would be returned for the subject Microsoft Excel, and the reason for that is that there are values present for Microsoft Excel in the tutorial table, but corresponding values are missing in the tutorial underscore info table. That table has null values for those rows for which the ID values lie between 18 and 22 in the tutorial table, right? So if you want to still see the values from the tutorial table in your result set, then all you have to do is put in the keyword left before join in your query, right? So what this is going to do is it's going to instruct SQL that even if no corresponding values are found in the table that's on the right hand side of the join operation, you still pull out values from the table that's on the left hand side of the join operation. And in this case, that table is the tutorial table, right? So it appears before the join keyword, so that's why it's on the left side. And when you execute this query, you see now that we do get the subject Microsoft Excel in the results set, although we don't see any values for total views or total likes in those two columns, because data is not present in the tutorial underscore info table. And if you would someday put in some data in those columns for rows numbered 18 to 22, then you would see some numbers here too. But in that case, you won't have to use the left join operation, you can use the normal inner join. But anyway, this is all that I had to say about the left join operation. In the next tutorial we'll talk about the right join operation, which is pretty similar to this, and it's only different in the way that in that case, if corresponding values are not present in the table that's on the left hand side of the join operation, but if values are present in the right hand in the table that's on the right hand side of the join operation, then you can use the right join operation to get those values in the results set. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. And you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon.